Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. When we make noodles or Maggi, sometimes we have some leftover and then we keep thinking what to do with it as it is not enough to feed the whole family. So how about making some delicious fluffy kababs with the leftover Maggi? My leftover Maggi noodle kababs are extremely delicious and easy to make. So let's get started. This is some leftover masala flavored Maggi that I made last night for dinner. I had added some eggs and vegetables to it. I fluffed it up a bit with fork. To it I added half a cup of finely chopped onions, half a cup of chopped coriander leaves, 1 chopped red chili, you can even use green chilies. Then I added 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of cornflour to give that binding, and a pinch of salt. Here I have taken 2 eggs, I beat it up lightly and added about 2 tablespoons from it. The rest we will need for frying. Mix everything but do not add too much pressure while mixing as you still want some of those strands of noodles to stay intact. Okay, so now comes the fun part, let's form the kababs. Apply some oil onto your palms, this will help you in forming the kababs as the noodles are a bit sticky. Then form small flat kababs like this. Here I am done forming all the kababs. Next take some flour, lightly dust your kababs with the flour, shake off the excess flour. Next add a little salt to the rest of the egg and beat it very well till it turns very frothy. Fill your pan with oil and once the oil turns fairly hot, dip each kabab in the frothy egg mix and add to the hot oil. Your oil should be moderately hot but not too hot that it will smoke. If the oil gets too hot, then the kababs will immediately turn dark brown in color and that will ruin everything. Fry on medium heat, do not overcrowd the pan and fry in batches. It won't take much time to brown up, so turn each kabab gently once that side turns golden brown. Fry till the other side also turns golden brown. All my kababs are now looking great, so I will take them out on a plate lined with paper towels. Here is a point to be noted, before you fry the next batch, again beat the eggs very well and make it frothy. Now follow the same steps, but there is a fun part that I will show you once all the kababs turn brown on both sides. Now my kababs are almost done and here comes the fun part. There is still some egg left over, so what I did is I sprinkled that egg all around and this will form those crispy, airy, flaky bits on the sides of the kabab. You can skip this part entirely, but if you have some egg left over, then please try this. See those edges? Those taste absolutely delicious. You can even follow this same recipe if you have any other type of leftover noodles, or if you are really serious about it, then you can make some Maggi and prepare these kababs and serve them as appetizers if you have guests coming over. Just remember to cool down the noodles before making the kababs. Serve this with ketchup or a salad. Please try this recipe and send me your feedback, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.